What if I told you there was a way to make a woman want you more and more over time? A way to build her attraction, intrigue, and desire so that she constantly craves spending time with you and taking things to the next level? In this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets to making a woman want you more and more. As your personal dating coach here at The Woman's Signals, I've helped thousands of men go from struggling to get a woman's interest to having her chasing them nonstop. If you want to ignite intense passion and captivate a woman's heart, you need to join me for the next few minutes. I'm going to uncover the mindset shifts and actionable tactics that generate magnetism on command. Just discovered this channel? Make sure you subscribe to The Woman's Signals now and hit the notification bell. You won't want to miss the dating advice I deliver every day to help you succeed wildly with women. Let's get started. The biggest mistake most men make when trying to attract a woman is being too obvious about their interest. This gives her all the power because she feels in total control. Instead, you need to make her work for your attention while building intrigue. How do you achieve this balance? Use these mindsets and strategies. 1. Adopt an abundance mentality. Genuinely believe you have endless romantic options. This isn't about pretending to play hard to get. It's having real confidence that comes from within. With abundance mentality, you won't get rattled if she plays hard to get. You'll stay calm and charismatic no matter what she does. Abundance mentality allows you to pace things wisely. You don't dive in headfirst or rush physical intimacy. You understand that taking it slow, like cooking in a crock pot, leads to better long-term results. 2. Avoid the instant girlfriend trap. Some men want to skip relationship stages and get a microwaved girlfriend instantly. This backfires horribly. Expect to build things steadily. 3. Create intrigue and mystery. Don't reveal your whole hand at once. Keep her guessing about your true intentions and interest level. For example, if she asks if you're seeing other people, say playfully, "Wouldn't you like to know?" Hold strong eye contact. This builds curiosity without giving away your leverage. 4. Give unique compliments. Instead of generic praise about her looks, say something like, "You're a lot sharper than I first thought. Color me impressed." This signals your standards are high. 5. Use strategic texting. Don't blow up her phone or send long emotional texts. Keep conversations playful, brief, and open-ended. Leave her wanting more. Being less available via text builds curiosity and makes her wonder why you aren't messaging more. 6. Go hot and cold. After a great date, wait a couple days before scheduling the next one, even if chemistry was high. This prevents you from over-pursuing. 7. Convey you're not fully sold on her yet. Say something like, "You weren't really the type of girl I envisioned being with, but I gotta admit, you're growing on me." Signals you're still evaluating her. 8. Notice how she reacts. If she starts pursuing you more aggressively, you know your tactics are working. If she seems casual, intensify your approach. 9. Compliment her inner circle. When you meet her friends and family, show social savvy. Let her see how charming you are with other people she cares about. 10. Give thoughtful gifts. An occasional small gift demonstrates you were thinking about her when you weren't together. Make it something personal and meaningful. 11. Use subtle touching. Light touching builds physical chemistry. A hand on her lower back. Squeezing her arm hello or goodbye. Brushing hair away from her face. Sensual but not aggressive. 12. Maintain strong eye contact. When talking, strong eye contact builds intimacy. Briefly glance at her lips to create sexual tension, but don't stare in a creepy way. 13. Take initiative. Plan creative date ideas she'll love. Surprise her. Make reservations. Drive the relationship forward with confidence and purpose. 14. Let physical intimacy progress naturally. Start with light touching, hand-holding, hugging. Gradually build up to kissing when the moment feels right. Don't force it. 15. Avoid over-pursuing. Keep your schedule full besides time with her. Politely decline some of her date invites. Remind her you have a vibrant social life and interests. 16. Make her feel special. When you're together, give her your full attention. Put your phone away, ask engaging questions, and listen intently. Make her feel like the center of your universe. 17. Stay confident if she wants to take things slow. Don't guilt trip or get angry. Be patient and suggest alternative date ideas. Show emotional maturity. 18. Initiate bonding after intimacy. After sex, cuddle, talk, be affectionate. Women deeply crave emotional connection. Prioritize quality time together. 19. Give positive affirmations. Compliment her sincerely after intimacy without critiquing. For example, you drive me wild when you do XYZ. I've never felt such amazing passion. Make her feel secure. 20. Take the lead planning dates. Take initiative planning fun, romantic dates tailored to her interests. Surprise her with small gifts and experiences. 21. Incorporate thoughtful physical touching. Subtle physical affection builds attraction, but don't overdo it. Let intimacy progress naturally. 22. Project abundance and confidence. Have an attitude of, I like you, but don't need you. Convey you have endless romantic options through your mindset and actions. In summary, the key is making her work for your validation instead of pursuing aggressively. Build intrigue. Pace things slowly. Stay unpredictable. Don't be too available. The blend of desire-building behaviors is irresistible. Master these techniques, and she'll go crazy trying to win you over. She'll constantly crave your time, attention, and affection. Just remember, less is more. The moments you do give her affection and praise will mean so much more. I know putting yourself out there is hard, but you can do this. Feel free to ask me any other dating or relationship questions. I'm always happy to offer advice to help you find and nurture romance. Here's to your success. There you have it, my friends, the complete blueprint for making a woman want you more and more over time. From adopting an abundance mindset to incorporating thoughtful touch, I unveiled the tactics that generate insane attraction and passion. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button now. We really appreciate all your thoughtful feedback too, so leave a comment sharing your biggest takeaways. And be sure to share this video with any friends who need this advice. For extra support, check out the Super Thanks button. You can buy us a coffee as a thank you, which allows us to keep making more game-changing videos on succeeding wildly with women. Alright my friends, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and until next time here on the Woman Signals channel.